Hello viewers, welcome to Kaithozil-crochet and crafting jobs. Today in our channel we are going to see this crochet magic circle. So I'll show you how to do it. First what we need is woolen thread, and then I'm using 5.5 mm size crochet needle. The needle is your choice, you can choose any type. It's a basic stitch, it's also a basic type of stitch. In two ways we can put a crochet, a straight line and in a circle way. So straight line, it's a normal thing. In the circle way you have to use a magic circle like this. It's also one method of using magic circle. There are other methods also, I'll explain you. So first make a circle like this. Okay, once again I will show you. See, just cross the yarn and hold it in the thumb and the middle finger, and then form a loop in the index finger like this. Okay, the circle will be like this. So insert the needle in the circle, yarn over it and pull through the circle. Now see, we have to work in the circle shape. So first I am going to do the chain, yarn over the needle and pull the needle like this. See, this is my chain. I'm going to do single crochet in it. So insert the needle in the circle and then yarn over it. There will be 2 loops. Again yarn over it, pull through this. Insert the needle in the circle, yarn over, see like this. Insert the needle in the circle, yarn over it, pull the yarn through the circle. There will be 2 loops. Again yarn over it, pull the 2 yarns. Okay, see, once again I will show you. Insert the needle in the circle, yarn over it and pull the, see, insert the needle in the circle, yarn over it, pull the needle through the circle, and then again yarn over it, pull through the 2 loops. Like this you are going to do the single crochet. Okay, so magic circle, we can form any type of patterns. It will give you a perfect circle shape patterns. Yeah, I will explain the videos of patterns in the future. You can watch it out, and I had given the basic stitches of single crochet, double crochet, everything in my previous videos. You can watch it out. Subscribe to my channel so that you can watch my every videos, and don't forget to press the bell icon. So like this I had made my single crochet. I just made 12 single crochets for the reference. Now see, the starting yarn is there, right? So you should pull it like this. The starting yarn you should pull it, then the work will get shrink like this. See how it had come. Yeah, the circle will get shrinked and the work will get closer like this. See, you have to pull the starting yarn, that is a starting yarn. There will be some short yarn that you have to pull it, and then now insert the needle in the loop. We have not finished the work yet. Yeah, I have just taken the needle and pulled it. So just insert the needle in the loop, and then see, now we are going to do slip stitch. So slip stitch at the top of the chain. First we have started with chain, so in that chain we are going to do the slip stitch. While starting the magic circle we have started with this chain. So in that chain we are going to, we have done the slip stitch. Okay, now our single crochet magic circle is finished. Cut the yarn and then pull that yarn through this like this. So this is the finishing of crochet. Okay, so now we are going to do half double crochet in the magic circle. See, form a loop like this in the middle and the thumb finger, and leave the yarn through the index finger like this. Insert the needle through this and yarn over it and pull through this. Now we are going to do 2 chains. So yarn over the needle, you have to do yarn over the needle and pull the needle through the loop like this. Yarn over it and pull the needle through the loop like this. So I had made 2 chains because I'm going to do half double crochet. For that you will always start with a 2 chain. See, now yarn over the needle, insert the needle in the magic circle, and then again yarn over it and pull through the magic circle. You will be getting 3 loops, 1 2 3. Again yarn over it and pull through all the 3 loops like this. See, once again I will show you. Yarn over the needle, insert the needle in the magic circle, yarn over it, pull through this. You will be getting 3 loops. Again yarn over it and pull through all the 3 loops. See, yarn over it, insert the needle in the magic circle, yarn over it, pull the needle through the magic circle. You will be getting 3 loops, yarn over it, pull through all the 3 loops. This is our half double crochet, okay, in the magic ring, magic circle. So like this you have to do the half double crochet. Always insert the needle in the magic circle and get the needle through this like this. And then always remember, the yarn over should always be moved in the anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction only you should always move the yarn. See, I had made some 12 half double crochets. Now just extend the loop and remove the needle like this. And we are going to pull it. So hold the starting yarn and pull it like this. The work will automatically get shrinked like this. Okay, so you can able to see it. Now insert the needle and slip stitch at the top of the second chain. We have started with the 2 chain. Okay, so in that second chain we are going to do slip stitch. Yeah, insert the needle like this, yarn over it, yarn over the needle and pull through the 2 loops same together. Okay, so this is our half double crochet in magic circle. Now cut the excess yarn and finish off the work like this. Like this we have finished it. This is our half double crochet in magic circle. Now we are going to do double crochet in the magic circle. So as I mentioned, always hold the yarn like this and then insert the needle and then get the yarn through this. Now we are going to do chains. In yarn over the needle, pull the needle through this, yarn over that, pull the needle through this. We have done 2 chains. Now yarn over it and pull the needle through the magic circle like this. You will be getting 3 loops. Now yarn over it and you have to just leave the 2 loops alone. Yeah, like this, and again you will be getting 2 loops. Again yarn over the needle and leave the 2 loops also. See, yarn over it, insert the needle through the circle, yarn over the needle, pull the needle through this. You will be getting 3 loops, yarn over it, leave the 2 loops, and again yarn over it, leave the 2 loops. See, yarn over the needle, insert the needle in the magic circle like this, yarn over it, pull the needle through the magic circle. They will be getting 3 loops, yarn over it and leave the 2 loops. Again you will getting 2 loops, again yarn over it and leave the 2 loops also. See, I had given my separate videos on single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet and many other basic stitches in the part 1 and part 2 lessons in the previous videos. You can subscribe to my channel and watch those videos. So it will be very helpful to make the patterns. So like this you are going to do our double crochet in a magic circle. Using magic circle you can do numbers and numbers of projects. Yeah, many patterns and many funny creatures you can make it out using those magic circles. Yeah, it is a very important and a very loving stitch actually. See, I had done some 12 double crochets. So now pull the yarn like this. The work will automatically get shrinked and it will form a ring like this. So now we are going to finish it off. Make a slip stitch at the top of the second chain. Always we will be starting with a chain. We had started with 2 chain, right? In that in the second chain, make a slip stitch like this. Okay. So now finish it off. Cut the yarn and pull the end yarn like this. The work itself. See, now I have finished my double crochet in magic circle. See how it's looking beautiful. It's looking. Yeah. See, I finished my 3 types of basic stitches in the magic circle. See, this is it. See, it will give you a perfect circle. While using magic circle, it will give you a perfect circle. So you can work from this. See, this is a single crochet, half double crochet and the double crochet. You can use many stitches in circles. Thanks for